Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena if you're new. Today is going to be an exciting video because it's my first video of me taking you guys with me on my little decluttering journey. So I was really inspired by the new year to kind of declutter my house, and we are starting with my pantry. My pantry is something that we are in and out of every single day, but it's like one of the most unorganized things in my house and it's just not functional. So I'm going to make use of the space as much as I can. Let's get started on decluttering it because it needs it really bad. All right, you guys, this is our pantry. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the inside right now. This is the before. Hopefully we're gonna get it looking much nicer. As we've gotten more food and like more spices and things like that, it just has not kept its organization. And to be honest, I don't really have a system anymore, as you can see. I got a bunch of organizational things to put in the cabinets. So I got stuff for like rice, for noodles, for quinoa. I haven't figured out exactly what's all gonna go in each of the little containers, but I did measure them out just to see kind of like what sizes I needed for the cabinets. I just kind of got like 4 of each just to start, and if I need to send some back or if I need to get more, then I'll do that. I did get all this on Amazon, but you can get these kind of things anywhere, like Target, Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm sure that they have these kind of things at a bunch of different places, but I liked to keep everything clear. I loved that look. I also got the ones that have like the little pop-up lid. I thought that was really convenient. And then I also got some baskets, and I thought this would be good for, I really don't know yet. We're gonna figure it out. I do like the look of baskets, so I think this is gonna look really nice. Oh, maybe like chips or, you know, things that I don't really want to display. Yeah, we can keep that in here. I also got this little spice rack, which I think was really nice. It's also adjustable, so you can make it bigger or smaller if you need to. I also got a little tea organizer because this is something that I have been wanting forever. So finally have somewhere to put all my tea bags. So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash all of these things, then I'm gonna put them to the side, and then I'm going to empty out my pantry, get everything out of there, wipe it down, and then start filling up these little containers. Pantry is completely empty. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything down. I'm just using a like all-purpose cleaner. This is the 7th generation. I use this for literally almost everything in the kitchen, the bathrooms. It's just like a really clean and natural cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of the food that I have and get rid of the things that are expired or things that we don't eat. We've literally been in this house for a year, and there's things in here that we have bought and never touched since we first moved in. So we are getting rid of that stuff. Now that everything is clean and I have thrown away all the stuff that I don't want, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the organizational items in the little shelves just to kind of see what works and what doesn't. Then we're gonna go ahead and fill up all the containers and put everything back where it should go. little tea and coffee cabinet, and it's kind of a mess too, so I'm gonna take everything out and put all of my tea bags into my new little tea box thing that I'm so excited about, and I'm gonna put Omar's coffee in one of those clear containers. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what my pantry looks like now. I am so proud of it. I think it looks so much better, and it really didn't take me that long to do all this. I think it maybe took me like an hour and a half to like get everything organized and everything, so here we go. Yay! I think this looks so much better. I'm so happy with the way it looks. It's just so much more functional for us now, and literally we still have like space to add things if we wanted to. So now what I'm gonna do is give you guys a little tour of what all is in here. So I'm obsessed with this spice rack. I love it because some of the spice racks I was looking at, they don't have these little edges right here, so things could literally just like fall off. But I love that it's all really secure. As you can see, I love the brand. What brand is this? Simply Organic for all of my spices. So most of my spices are that brand. Then I have cacao powder and turbinado sugar. And this is my cacao powder for the smoothies that I make every single morning. On this top row, I have my vitamins and essential oils. And then I have dates, some Kind bars, and then dark chocolate. I have quinoa, brown rice noodles, white rice, and brown rice, peanut butter, extra peanut butter, and then I have honey back there. In this basket, I have all of our oils and vinegars and that kind of stuff. And then in this basket, I just kind of have extras of things if I need to like fill up. I have like some dark chocolate chips, some coconut flakes, so just kind of like a catch-all right there, but things that I do reach for pretty often. In this basket, I have like paper cups and plastic utensils, and I think, oh, extra coffee for Omar. And then in this one, I have chips, and I guess if I get more snacks and stuff, they will go in this basket. That way, like, it's a little bit harder to reach like the unhealthy stuff. And then on this bottom row, I have like cans. So I have all of my tomato sauce and tomato paste and that kind of stuff. And then I have beans on this one. I'm just super, super happy with the way that this turned out. Even though we don't have a huge pantry, I think I really made use of the space and made it look really pleasing to the eye. I'm so much happier with the way that our tea and coffee cabinet looks. It's so much more neat and tidy, and there's just like so much more space. So here I have my little tea box. It is just so, so cute, and I can display all of my little teas. That way if I have guests over, I can just kind of show them this box and they can pick out their own. I hope that you guys enjoyed decluttering and organizing my pantry with me today. If you guys like these kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know if you want me to create more of these type of videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.